To my baby, happy birthday. I love you and I miss you more than I can ever explain. I wish you and Gigi were here to celebrate. I wish I could make your favorite food for a birthday cake with my Gigi. I miss your big hugs, your kisses, and your smile. And your loud ass deep love. I miss teasing you, making you laugh and bursting your bubble. I miss you sitting on my lap like my big baby that you are. I think about your tenderness and patience all the time. I think about everything you would do in situations to help me deal with everything thrown my way. Thank you for growing up with me and teaching me how to be strong, how to try to see the best in people but cut out the BS. Your thoughtful gestures and amazing way you made us all feel is extremely missed. I picture a smile and white big welcoming hugs daily. God, I miss you both so much. Our lives feel so empty without you and Gigi. I always wanted to go first so that I selfishly didn't have to feel this heartache. You were supposed to miss me. Gigi was supposed to be here with her sisters. It should have been me. There's so much I wish I could tell you and show you and Gigi. So many things you would both be happy to see and be a part of. So many milestones for our girls. So many things you would have been proud of. I'm so thankful I have the pieces of heaven here on earth to wake up for. Thanks to you. Thank you for loving me enough to last several lifetimes. In every lifetime, I would choose you. Thank you for showing me what real love is. Thank you for everything. I know my Gigi is celebrating you like she always has on her special days. I miss my thoughtful princess so much. Natalia, Gianna, Bianka, and Capri, and I wish you a happy birthday, my love. I love you for now, forever, and for always. Amore eterno.